Hey everyone, it's Saikat. Owning rental properties can be a fantastic way to build wealth, but let's be real, being a landlord isn't always passive income. Managing a property can feel like a full-time job. From finding reliable tenants to handling maintenance requests and navigating legal regulations, it can be overwhelming. That's where professional property management services come in. They handle the day-to-day grind so you don't have to, all while maximizing your return on investment. In this video, we'll explore how these services can help you unlock the full potential of your real estate investments. One of the biggest headaches of being a landlord is finding great tenants. It's not just about filling a vacancy, it's about finding the right fit for your property. Property managers have systems to weed out problem tenants and find responsible ones. They run thorough background checks, credit checks, and employment verification. They understand fair housing laws and ensure your application process is compliant. So instead of spending hours sifting through applications, you can offload the entire tenant screening and placement process to the experts. Let's face it, dealing with property maintenance can be a real buzzkill. Being a landlord often feels like being on call 24/7. But with a property management company, you can say goodbye to those emergency calls. They handle all maintenance requests promptly and professionally. Most have a network of trusted contractors and can negotiate better rates. Good property managers are also proactive, scheduling regular inspections to catch minor issues before they become major headaches. They'll make sure your property is well maintained, keeping your tenants happy and protecting your investment. Let's talk about rent. The lifeblood of any rental property. Collecting rent on time shouldn't feel like an awkward conversation. Property management companies take the hassle out of rent collection. They set up online payment systems, making it easy for tenants to pay rent on time. They track payments, send out late notices, and handle follow-ups. They understand the legal ins and outs of rent collection, ensuring you're following all the rules. This means less stress for you and a more consistent stream of rental income. The world of real estate is full of legal complexities. Property managers stay up to date on all the laws and regulations that govern rental properties. They'll make sure your lease agreements are ironclad, protecting you from potential lawsuits. They handle situations like noise complaints, property damage disputes, or evictions, ensuring you're following the law. Having a property manager means peace of mind knowing that you're covered legally. Every day your property sits vacant is money out of your pocket. Property management companies are pros at marketing your property and finding qualified tenants quickly. They use professional photography, create compelling listings, and stage your property to make it more appealing. They know what renters are looking for and how much rent you can realistically charge. They handle all the showings, answer questions, and guide potential tenants through the application process. Their goal is to get your property rented quickly to qualified tenants, minimizing your vacancy time and maximizing your returns. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Property management fees typically range from a percentage of the monthly rent collected. A good property manager can save you money in the long run and boost your overall profitability. They help you avoid costly mistakes and negotiate better rates with contractors. By minimizing vacancies and maximizing rent collection, they're directly impacting your bottom line. So there you have it, the ins and outs of how professional property management services can transform your experience as a landlord. They handle the day-to-day grind, navigate the legal complexities, and work tirelessly to protect your investment and maximize your returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, consider whether property management is right for you. It's all about leveraging expertise, freeing up your time, and achieving your financial goals. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your rental property, reach out to a reputable property management company today.